Hello, YouTube. The video you're about to watch was recorded last year during my cancer journey, so bear with me while I get caught up to today. I'm still getting used to filming and editing and all the things, so I appreciate your patience. Thank you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thanks for pushing play. So I'm here back in San Antonio for another dyno run to see how much power carbon fiber Dynan cold air intake is going to give me. Hoping that I'm at least putting down 600 to the tire. That's the goal. Only need 15. Website says 23 horsepower and 25 torque. That's a flywheel, and that doesn't really count. So I'm hoping to pick up 15 at the tires. So I know it's ambitious, but let's see. Anyway, it is a little colder than it was when I was here a month or so ago. So we'll see. I'm sure that makes a difference. The DA is always a relevant number. So let's see what happens and stay tuned.
Still not there yet.
Thank you very much for following, subscribing, liking. Really appreciate it. Just trying to do my part to spread as much knowledge as I can while, still trying to enjoy life. Happy Thanksgiving. Certainly got a lot to be grateful for, that's for sure, after this relatively short battle with prostate cancer. But I'm on the downside of it, I hope. Anyway, let's get back to cars talk. So the intake, the Dynan intake that I installed last week, I'm a little disappointed with the dyno numbers. So it only picked up 4 horsepower at the tires. So it's 589 at the tires. So, rounding up almost 740 flywheel. But I mean, that thing costs $1,000. I mean, there's the story behind that. The long and short, it was, I ordered the wrong intake. I ordered the even-terry intake. Thankfully, IND took it back, but the agreement was that I buy another intake that is right for this car, so I bought that one. So I still managed to get about a $2,000 refund from the even-terry, even considering that one. So yeah, picked up 4 horsepower. It's truly funny. Picked up 4 horsepower. No change in torque whatsoever. Talked to the tuner. He looked at the graphs. He's like, yeah, but the only way you're going to pick up any power is to do downpipes. Not sure I want to go that route. It's going to cost me about $3,500 to pick up 20 to 50 at the tires. It's the grocery getter, right? I mean, the fun is from the eventual event. Anyway, those are the numbers. It is what it is. I'm cool with it. I am going to run the car up in Houston. I'm headed to Houston shortly for Thanksgiving, and they do have, like, say, the quarter-mile track has closed everywhere. I think there's still one in Dallas. But, yeah, so I'm going to run the 8th mile Friday night, and I'll post some videos of my track experience there, and let's see how things go. Should be fun. It's cold. Anyway, lots to be thankful for. Enjoy it while you can, guys and gals. Yeah, deep breaths. If you are afflicted, leave some comments. Happy to help you. I'll share my stories in a little more detail. But enjoy your Thanksgiving. And remember, as always, have your doctor check that box.